Hi, this is Mike Mora, broker of the Mora team here in San Diego. I just want to thank you so much for checking out our real estate market update newsletter that we put out on a monthly basis. This market update newsletter is the most up-to-date San Diego real estate data-driven market newsletter in the industry that I've seen. There's no real estate fluffs, no recipes, no ridiculous realtor spam that I'm going to be sending out. It's only valuable information for you so you can make wise decisions in the future with your San Diego real estate. Along with market data, we're also going to provide off-market deal opportunities that we have come across our desk. We're also going to update you on all new local laws or anything that will affect real estate here in San Diego. We also have a short section that highlights mortgage rates and also some mortgage loan programs that we have in the market right now. So a lot of great information. Wanted to introduce myself and thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions at all, my direct number is 619-417-9247. That is my cell phone, so you can reach me at any time, and happy to help you in any way possible. Thank you for stopping by, and I wish you the best of luck in the future.